Hello RV people, how you guys doing? All right. So today's video is gonna show you what you can do, what you can do if your refrigerator. Mine is a NORCOLD on a 2019 Winnebago. So the issue I'm having is I turn it on, and then after like 10 hours or 8 hours, my freezer is ready, ice cold. But the fridge part is basically, you see the temperature. Right now, of course, it's 110 outside. But yeah, it won't even reach to like, maybe just stays around 60. So my suspicion is, I thought maybe I need to get a fan. So, on the video that you can check my other video about this beach lane fan, how I installed it, tapping into the light, the refrigerator light, you can check out my video on that one if you want. But even with that, still, it's not performing. Still, my refrigerator is super warm. So now I understand, okay, it's not just a fan I need. I think it's about time to change the what? The thermostat. You see that? Yeah. So I ended up getting me a new one right here. Under the description, I'll link the Amazon link under the description. So yeah, I have done this before on another RV, and yeah, after that, problem solved. So yeah, my biggest suspicion is, the thermostat basically, it's about time to be changed. So yeah, I'm gonna swap the thermostat. So it's very simple. All you have to do is just disconnect here, just push the clip, disconnect that, and then take it out, and then put the new one, and then clip it. You gotta keep it to the as high as possible, because I don't know if this refrigerator is already preset from the factory, but many of them, they have a sign. Some refrigerators have a sign, warmer and colder, but this one doesn't have. So, but it's still, I will just put it where it is, just up high, and then I'm gonna test it. Turn on the fridge, test it for after 6-7 hours, see where if that solved the problem. But I'm just thinking my biggest suspicion is thermostat. It's about time to replace. I never replaced the thermostat. I had this rig for almost 2 years. So yeah, that's what you have to do. If your freezer is working good, but your refrigerator is not cooling good, it's not getting up to temperature, definitely try. But the first step you can do is change your thermostat. And then with the fan, definitely should be like, for example, the one I turned on yesterday. I turned it on around midnight, and by 6 a.m. it's already 32 or 30. So just doesn't even need to be 12-hour, to get to its perfect temperature. Even 6 hours could do it good if your refrigerator is performing normal. But this, even with the fan, it won't cool. So definitely thermostat is bad. So yeah, I'm gonna replace that, and I'm gonna test it after 6 hours and show you guys where this temperature is. So if you're facing this issue, definitely try by changing your thermostat first. All right, hope this helps. Ciao. All right, everyone. So unfortunately, I couldn't show you the cold temperature because the RV is already gone on the road. But yep, after changing the thermostat, now everything works perfect. It's cooling super good. So that's it. Yeah, the first try you should do is just change your thermostat, and then try from there. Even though you test the thermostat and the thermostat looks good, but still, don't really trust that, and past that step. Still change it, because it's not that expensive anyways, like under $20. So even though this one I took out, when I tested it using a testing machine, it looked normal. The test came out good, but after replace, now the refrigerator works normal. How it's supposed to be. Both the freezer and the fridge part cools ideal kind of temperature. So yeah, still change it. That's you start from there. And if it doesn't make any difference, Then your next step is, you know, just cleaning and cleaning the back, dusting anything, you know, and adding extra fans on the front and the back, and try that, you know. So that's just a simple step we can do. All right, hope this helped everybody. Okay, happy camping.